Castile, Miss Castile. How you do? Not too bad, you know. Boy, I tell you, from morning I feel like I'm coming down with a flu. I feel weak, you see. We just a pass anyway, you know. Come sit down now. You just come to introduce you to me little cousin, you know. My little cousin, I mean namesake, you know, she named Castile. She come up from the Savalan and Mar. And me just make me run come to see if we can say, but me have something else me want to say to you anyway, you know. But anyway, me just come to introduce her to you, you know. Little Castile, say hello to Miss Carbolic.
Hi, Miss Carbolic. Auntie, this lady say I have two faces and I want that.
You see her now? What she say little while? What she say? What she really say little while now? What she really say little while?
This lady way say I have two faces and I want that.
Kiss me neck. You see her now? You see a little dry foot, nasty nose, ruddy nose, picnic where we boo dry up all no, over them nose. Walk past street here, people are talk all kind of things that come now and talk about if this the lady you say. Where you hear me? What? No. Castile, make the picnic talk. Make the picnic talk. Where really say little girl? Because you know so she must hear this from somewhere. Where she really say little while?
Auntie, when we have come down the lane, you know say that I have a visit lady, we have two faces and I want that. But it's where the other face there.
Lord have mercy. Children are wicked. Children are wicked, I tell you. Them wicked. So till me and the little picnic come and me talk to the picnic and say, this is what... You know what, Castile? Come out of my yard. Because take a pan of water. Come out of my yard. Come out of my yard. Come out of my yard, Castile. Come out of my yard. Come out of my yard, Castile. Come out of my yard. Miss Carbolic, wait, man. Wait, the picnic and all that about. Wait, Miss Carbolic, you're so picnic, you can't people. They're all kind of trouble. Look at how they're from the top of Miss Carbolic. Now you want to run your yard and I'm running around all that thing. Miss Carbolic, wait, man, wait. What do you really have to say to me? What could you really have to say to me? Child, come and talk all kind of foolishness to me, you know. Carbolic, listen to me now. Because my sugar race, you know, me I run and me desperate. Me know you long time. Or something else me come to put you, something will trouble me. Me could talk about this next time. Or something else me want to say to you. Because me have a little situation. Me walk down the street like a while, you know. Just listen me out before we're going to take care of this two-face and a one situation. But just listen me out for a minute. Me come down the road all me here. Mind the picnic. Because you know the girl the name Charmaine. We live round the way there. Me hear a little story, you know. And somebody come and said something to me, you know. But me here say no, hear the whole thing, you know. Charmaine tell Jackie and Jackie go tell Marcia and Marcia tell Harold and Harold tell Junior. Junior tell Fim wife named Daphne and Daphne tell Cheryl tell Rosemary and Rosemary tell Maxine tell Carol and Carol tell Marva tell Valerie and Valerie tell Lyde tell Trevor Neville. You believe man can get mixed up in all this hearsay? And then Neville even go tell Delroy and Delroy tell Dennis and Dennis tell him baby mother Vi. And she asks me, if I choose Fimi Sunlight, you understand me? Fimi Sunlight get Pierre so pregnant. Jesus. I said, what? She said Fimi Sunlight get Pierre so pregnant before him leave for foreign. I know all me can't hear every time me come out of my yard, Miss Carbolic. Mind the picnic! Something women don't know nothing about. No, when me go to me can't even walk on the street without me and mind the picnic, whine the picnic. Me never know nothing about the picnic. The boy gone and left me and him never turn the black eye man like me that tell you the last time. And now them a come talk about mind the picnic. I good for you. I good for you now do nothing more than walk around and talk all kind of things. Look here when the picnic come and say about me now. Come out of here, we don't want you there. Come out of here. Come out of here. Come out of here, I'm not sorry. Come out of here. Come sit. Come get Steve. Look, Miss Carver, share my Miss Carver. Now come back to the yard and Miss Carver, look at who we hate. Alright.